Get you. Yeah, we got Scream in the building. Yeah. Guys, are you ready?
Yo!
That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear.
There's a button right here. Here, click it.
Hey, are you ready?
You're gay.
He's
Yes.
gay.
Yeah,
But hey, are you ready?
How you
I
doing,
brought
Bubble
something
B?
for you, bro.
Come on, look at this.
Here you go.
Go. That way, go. That's time to shower. Go.
Nah, that's a big baby.
Hey, what?
Man, cameraman, it's cameraman.
Hey, King. Get down.
I'm hit. There he is.
Huh? Are you set? Are you fighting? Yeah. Go.
Oh, he got the grenade.
Frog it. Right behind you guys. Right behind you.
Whoa! Let's go. Let's push it.
Launch lane.
Oh! Am I dead? I'm hit. He's dead. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
No worries, dude. No worries.
Nice gun, man.
Thanks, God. Oh, dude, I'm sorry. Is it on semi?
It is. Everything's ready.
Hey, you're gonna find us on live, please.
Coming through. Sorry, y'all. Oh, someone medic him in. Hey. Whoa. Oh, someone.
Hey, brother. Come here to bust somebody out, please.
Sorry, man.
You're
Sorry.
good.
Oh, yes, good. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I'll forgive your sins if you let me out, man. 100%. Oh, there, we got a winner.
Yes, the kid.
Winner, chicken dinner.
If y'all let him out, I kill both of them.
Standard $65 dinner. Oh, you just give me the party. Still with that smoke thing.
No.
Not at all? Okay, just keep an eye out, okay? We just gotta make sure it's not touching any buildings. It's went off over there. I can't see it. I don't know where it went. I found a random ass sniper on the ground.
Right up here. We got men downstairs.
Yeah, well, we can frag outside. They do. Are we going to frag outside?
Oh, yeah, and there's smoke outside.
Yeah, boy.
Someone threw a smoke on that side. Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to say that's a yes.
Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! He's like, I dare you.
Hey, yeah, subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go. I did. Yeah, take it.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
I don't know where they are.
Let's go find them.
Red.
Hey, Red, you missed
Hey, the Uzi is like right there behind the thing it ran out of ammo. I'll show you where it is.
Okay, yeah, I go get it. Thank you. They got a buzz in this facility. Ah, shit. Hey, there's 3 in that window right there.
What?
There's 3 in this window right here. Are you on a red team?
What?
Are you red or blue?
Red.
Oh, then never mind. They're red inside. Oh, there's work. Hey, go get him, man. Flash, there you go. Hey, y'all, come on, let's go. There's a big fight over there.
Yep.
Oh, nice gun, man.
Thank you.
Nice. Hey, how'd y'all get up there? Wow. Oh yeah, it's only 2 people. Look at all that smoke. Who's smoking on that gas?
Yeah, boy.
Ah, nice kill. I got you. I'm kidding, bro. I'm not playing. Sorry. Dead.
Sorry, Dad, see you. Sorry.
He called his hit, man. Good job.
Call my head.
There he is. Always. Hey, let's check your credit score.
Hey, this is being held with hopes and prayers, and it's a toaster connected to Wi-Fi.
There you go. Let me see.
Crazy on it.
Ooh.
That's what it just keeps us
Damn, bro.
He just got so mad he threw his gun at the wall.
Huh?
He threw his gun at the wall.
Who?
He said, motherfucker, and threw his gun at the wall and then charged at someone.
For real?
Yeah.
Pew, pew. Oh yeah, headshot. Pew. Pew, pew. Oh, he farted. I'ma shoot you. Hey, what's up, Billy? Let me cut it.
Derecha, derecha, derecha. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, okay. Hop, 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 hop. No le mueva.